lost our drone. Hold on, bud. Well, we gotta find a spot. I'll just go right over the edge, man.
So I've got some rock climbing gear from the 90s hooked around my waist here.
Let's see that.
Last time I took this to a rock climbing gym, they told me I couldn't use it anymore because it was too old. We got snowboarding get up here, and I'm gonna tie into the winch, and Jay's gonna kill me. That's the plan, at least.
I'm not gonna kill you.
Last time I lost a drone, I did not have a friend
Like Jay.
named Defender Jay. That way, it's just me and the rig. I see the drone! Woo-hoo!
Told you, Jay.
Woo! Good drop for me. I'm depending on you now.
Don't lose your drone.
Nice one, man. Give me a high five, buddy. Yeah.
Woo!
Man.
High five. Woo! Oh.
Brody, are you so excited or what? Did you think we were going to get the drone? Did you think you would ever see this thing again? You knew? Wow. That's the confidence of a son.
That's it.